Tutorials by Andrew Buckle. In this tutorial I'm just going to show you how you can create some interesting distorted designs using the camera raw filter. Now I've got an image here. First thing to do, I'm just going to quickly go to a layer and duplicate layer. Click OK. Now see, it's over there, it's a layer, and I can now go over to filter and camera raw filter. What I want to use, I'm going to use just when it comes up. Yep. Just going to go over here to lens correction. Now I'm going to go to the manual option over here, and now what you can use with these transforms, you can actually distort this image here. And that's a layer, so I can actually obviously just distort it. I can distort the other one again and just continue to. Right, so I'm just going to modify that. I'm going to vertical. You can really distort it in a whole number of ways, just using really warp. And now of course some people when you use it, this is basically for like straightening an image. So if you've got a sort of image that you want to straighten, but you can use it for distortion, warping as well. It doesn't have to be just straighten effects. So you can modify the scale, and you can make it thinner, or you can really stretch it out. Right, click OK. Now you can duplicate that, of course, so you can just move that over to there, and I'm just going to now go over that one. Now you can go back, of course, to the original source layer, and you can always apply additional effects outside of the camera raw. Now just go back to filter, camera raw filter, and you can of course distort that as well. Now I'm just going to go back to lens correction and then distort. Again, stretch it in that direction. You can rotate it within limits, just slight rotation. Fortunately it doesn't go all the way around, would be nice. And you can modify the scale, so you can zoom in, and again you can stretch it different directions. Click OK. Right, so you got that. Now move that up there. Now what you can do, of course, you can actually then go back to this one and duplicate it again. Hold the Alt key down, so you can actually duplicate that layer, and again you can just go to filter and camera raw, and once it comes up, go again to lens correction, and you can again distort, maybe change the vertical, make it really extended out that way, and again aspect, modify the scale, click OK. Right, and there you have it. You can create some very interesting abstract backgrounds, warped and distorted design, just using a single picture. Use it with multiple layers, and then use the camera raw filter. I say it doesn't have to be just used for one thing. It can be used for great distortion effects as well. Hope you found